These are the beds as at today, Tuesday, the 26th of November 2024. This bed has 6 weeks. Has 6 weeks, 5 weeks, and some days. By Thursday, that's 2 days from now, they'll be complete 6 weeks. So the beds. Take good look at them. By Thursday, it should be complete 6 weeks from day old that we started rearing these birds. We have to separate them into different sections, into different compartments, so that we'll be able to identify the ones that are struggling to feed and place them where they can be able to feed well. Take a look at these ones. Here are they. They are doing well. You can tell by yourself looking at this that they are good to go. These are our beds. If you want to do poultry, you must develop the habit of loving birds. When you love birds and you come into their pen, they already know either you want to give them food, you want to give them water, or perhaps you want to clean their pen, make it neat for them so they enjoy your company. Some of them may choose to be pecking you. That's their own way of playing with you. For those who are fearful, the moment the bird begin to peck, you'll be afraid. You don't need to be afraid. They're only telling you in their own way that they appreciate your presence. Right. Is another demarcation. Demarcations of the bed. They are currently drinking water. Because of that too, give them medication to help correct the watery stooling that they have been experiencing. Take a look. Right. This is another section. the section. Okay, look at them. All right. Told you before, this a way you can make money. These are the ones that have the look of a cockery, so we have to separate them. I've talked about this before. I've initially mentioned that making money through poultry, you need knowledge, you need skill, and you need patience. One way you can increase in your knowledge and skill about rearing birds, I mentioned earlier, you must love the birds and also learn to observe their behavior. It will help you to know what to do, how to treat them, how to take good care of them. The ones that are doing well and the ones that are not doing well. Okay? These are birds.